In this video, I'll show you how to change Adobe Acrobat language. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. The exact steps can look a little different depending on whether you are using Windows or Mac, but the language setting is usually found inside the Preferences menu. If you are using Windows, look at the top menu and click Menu or Edit, depending on your Acrobat version. Then choose Preferences. You can also open this menu quickly by pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Once the Preferences window opens, look at the list of categories on the left side. Find and click Language. Now look for the application language setting. In some versions of Adobe Acrobat, you may see a drop-down menu where you can choose the language you want to use. Select your preferred language from the list. In other versions, you may see an option called Choose at Application Startup. If you select this option, Adobe Acrobat will ask you to choose a language the next time you open the program. After choosing your language option, click OK to save the change. Then close Adobe Acrobat completely. Make sure the app is not just minimized, but fully closed. After that, open Adobe Acrobat again. When Acrobat restarts, the menus, buttons, and interface should appear in the language you selected. If you are using a Mac, open Adobe Acrobat, then click Acrobat in the top menu bar. Choose Settings or Preferences, then look for the Language section. If the language option is available there, select the language you want, save the setting, and restart Acrobat. On some Mac versions, Adobe Acrobat may follow your system language instead of showing a separate language setting inside the app. To change this, open your Mac system settings, then go to General, and choose Language and Region. From there, you can change your preferred system language. Some macOS versions also let you set a language for a specific app. If that option is available, add Adobe Acrobat and choose the language you want it to use. If the language you want does not appear in Adobe Acrobat, update the app through Adobe Creative Cloud or reinstall Acrobat using the correct language version. This can help if your current installation does not include the language pack you need. After changing the language, open a PDF and check the menus to confirm everything updated correctly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.